Hello guys, as I told you yesterday, I will give you the second part, what did happen to the two stocks after the news. Okay, so as you can see, yesterday, see where it was at 7:59. It was here, it was 154 as I told you, but in the morning it goes down a little bit before the market hours here, and uh, it opens at 99.91. It means $99.91, and it goes to $100.07. Okay, and then it has gone to $96.24. Here you see the low, and then it goes up to 97.99. Okay, although it didn't give the good gap up, because yesterday, as I told you, the close was 96.22, so it goes $1 something. It's not that big deal, okay, but it's okay. Now let's see what did happen to TNT. Okay, TNT has gone down $2.14. So was it what I told you yesterday? It was this here. Yesterday, after the market close, the stock was 33.39. Okay, so you see the difference between T or AT&T. It means the company, when they get the news that it will buy Time Warner. Now Time Warner, as you can see, we have $1.67 raise or gain to the stock, and TNT has lost 2.14. So $2.14 is worse than Time Warner. Okay, so the aim of this video is to show you, although we have the same news that TNT will buy Time Warner, but you see Time Warner is going up and the other is going down. So from this conclusion, we understand that there is no sure thing whatever about the news. Okay, sometimes it is good news, and we see that for example, for AT&T, it's a good for them and for their business, because they will acquire another big company. Okay, for Time Warner, for internet, for television, for other stuff, and as you can see, the stock goes down. So this is the thing that I'm always talking about, is that you should follow always the price, and the news when it comes, you should see the price where it goes. So for this yesterday, when we get the news, the stock has been going up after the market hours. It has been going up. The other, it has been going down, as I showed yesterday. So this, just to make sure you understand that in order to follow something, you should always, when you see the news, always keep an eye on the price, because the price from yesterday here, it was going down. So the direction of the stock direction is good, down, and the other one from yesterday, the direction was good, going up. Just to make sure that the direction of the price, this is what you should generally see, and don't see something else. Okay, because if you thought that let's say TNT will be going up because we have good news for it, for this company, and then you end up losing a lot of money if you don't see the price. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have questions, just ask. Thank you.